In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find cash jobs in New York. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to comment about many options that you have to find cash jobs in New York City. So first, I want to tackle day labor agencies. These agencies specialize in connecting works with short-term jobs, often in construction, warehouse, or event staffing. Pay is typically daily, and you will be able to look for reputable day labor agencies with good online reviews. So look for day labor agencies as the first solution. Besides this, you can also look into local businesses. You can even use websites such as Facebook. As you can see, there is a public group named New York City Cash Jobs, and in here you can look through local businesses, especially the service industry. Many restaurants, cafes, car washes, and small shops might be open to cash payments, particularly for short-term gigs or during busy periods. Try reaching out directly to businesses in your neighborhood and inquire about short-term help. Now, the next thing that you can look into are freelance platforms. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork can be good for freelance gigs like graphics design, writing, or handyman services. While they are not strictly cash, some freelancers might be open to receive payments through services like Venmo or Zelle. And finally, you have gig economy apps for cash out options. Some delivery apps like DoorDash or Grubhub offer a cash out option where you can receive your earnings daily. However, these payouts may be limited, and of course, you will have to sign up to become the delivery driver for these services. Besides this, there's not much else to say. It's only really going to work out if you are able to do some networking, talk to people, and explore the opportunities near you. Look for day labor agencies, local businesses, or freelance platforms, and talk to as many contacts as you can. I hope I was able to help you on how to find cash jobs in New York. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.